Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are so excited to do our potato harvesting. It's been about 100 days that we have planted these potatoes in this container. The label says that we planted this on May 31st and today is September 5th. The link to the video of the potato planting is available in the description box. So first of all, how do we know that it is time for harvest? Number one, normally it will take 90 to 120 days for the potatoes to mature and to be ready for harvest. Number two, before it is ready for harvesting, the leaves will turn yellow and the plants will die off. So as you can see, the leaves are already yellow and are falling over. So we can do our harvesting today. It's always a mystery when you plant the roots and tubers because you never know what's going on underneath the soil. So let's hope for a good harvest. This is a good one. I think we are done here. Actually, we planted only 2 potatoes in this container and we got this many. Homegrown potatoes always taste better than the store-bought ones. Hope you have enjoyed the video and learned something new.